My name is Ayushman. Recently I got placed in Saskin and I overall due to my role as a tech lead in the Microsoft Student Club. This club helped me gain a lot of opportunities, be it offline or online. Offline I had the chance to attend a lot of events, and I also got a chance to meet Satya Nadella at an event in Bangalore. And online I got a chance to learn and upskill myself on the Microsoft Learn platform. And I would like to thank the HRD Department for their support and help in getting me placed. I would also encourage anyone watching this to join a club such as Microsoft. This club helps you gain a clearer perspective on what the industry expects from you. And this has really helped me a lot. This was the main talking point in my resume during interviews. Without this club, I would not be placed. Cheers.